Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge price prediction. Now, with $10 investment on Shibadoge, $10 to $1 million is possible. I know so many people would look like this is not going to be possible, this and that. But before you say that, remember Shiba Inu. Now, Shibadoge at the time of recording this still trade with about 16 zeros with a market cap of over almost $35 million. Now Shibadoge, if you buy $10 worth of Shibadoge tokens right now, you'll be having about 125 quadrillion Shibadoge coin, 125 with $10 investment. Now that will bring us to Shibadoge price prediction. That is, if Shibadoge deletes 2 zeros, which we believe with the way Shibadoge is rising with the next few months or years, Shibadoge, the possibility of hitting deleting 2 zeros is possible. Then your $10 investment will be worth a lot. Now let me just break the analysis down. If Shibadoge delete 2 zeros, your $10 will be worth about $1,000, and if Shibadoge delete 3 zeros, your $10 will be worth about $10,000. While 4 zeros will bring you to $100,000, and 5 zeros will bring us to $1 million. So you see, with $10 investment, imagine Shibadoge start pumping massively. Rising in price, just like Shiba Inu. Imagine Shibadoge market cap hitting $20 billion. Imagine Shibadoge getting Coinbase, getting Robinhood, getting Binance, getting Kraken, Kucoin, name them. Imagine Shibadoge getting massive listing by these exchanges. What do you think will happen? Shibadoge is going to massively pump with 16 zeros. Don't be surprised to see this coin deleting 3, 4, 5 zeros. Deleting 5 zeros with $10 investment, you are already a millionaire, because that $10 will be worth about $1 million. So Shibadoge is still one of the best coins to buy. I know $10 is something worth investing. It's something worth buying and keeping. Imagine even buying let's say $1 worth of Shibadoge, and you are getting $100,000. Won't you? Imagine that kind of profit. This is going to be amazing. So I believe Shibadoge, all we need for this coin is to delete 5, 6 zeros. And we want to say Shibadoge bomb. We want to push Shibadoge to become the next Shiba Inu. And if Shibadoge keep getting the support, we believe many more exchanges will be listing this coin massively this year and next year. So I think adding Shibadoge to the list of coins you have with you right now is not bad. But remember, you're just buying what you can afford to lose. I'm using $10 as an example. You can invest $100, you can invest $5, you can invest $1. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking